Welcome. Today I'm talking about garlic. Well, not really. I'm talking about a garlic press. This is an invaluable tool in the kitchen. Typically when you want minced garlic, you take it off. You take each one out and you mince it on the cutting board, and it takes a little while and messes up a knife and everything. But this is going to get messy too. But this is cool. This is cool. How it works, this came with a cool little thing that takes the paper off the garlic. You rub it together so you feel it crunch a little, and then that paper comes right off. Look at there. It's about to grow one. So what I do like about this is it's got a pretty good size receptacle for the garlic, and the other thing is it's 100% stainless steel. I didn't mention it's made by Har Momentum. There it is, and it's 100% stainless steel. It's a big old boy, and does it do the job? Yes, it does. Nice and quick. And then it's open in the end here, so it's easier to clean. And it came with a little brush to get that bit out of there if you want to. Because it will get clogged up and you'll have to get that out of there once in a while. But that's the same with any of them. I like it. It's kind of beefy. It's kind of heavy. Actually, I'm going to take it to the commercial kitchen that I work in and use it there. I like it. I think you will too. As always, thank you for watching.